Cause of the First World War. The First World War, it started from 1914 to 1918. Most of the war were fought in trench warfare. Trenches are ditches dug by troops, enable soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from enemy fire. The typical trench system in World War consisted of 2 to 4 trench lines running parallel to each other. Each trench was dug in a type of zigzag so that no enemy standing at one end could fire for more than a few yards down its length. The main lines of trenches were connected to each other and to the rear by a series of linking trenches through which food, ammunition, fresh troops, mail, and orders were delivered. The sheer quantity of bullets and shells flying through the air in the battle conditions of First World War compelled soldiers to burrow into the soil to obtain shelter and survive. So warships were mainly used for the First World War. Most of the war was fought at sea. So this is sinking of Lusitania was the main reason for the entry of America into the war. This is Sussex, the French liner attacked by German. This is German submarine used for the warfare. German U-boats displayed a havoc in the enemy army. See the structure of the U-boats. You can see a clear picture and diagram how the U-boats work. This is Franz Ferdinand. He was assassinated by Princip and it was the immediate cause for the First World War. This is Gamaliel Princip. He was the one who shot Francis Ferdinand. This is the Emperor Kaiser Wilhelm II of Germany. So he was also one of the reasons for the First World War. This is the Battle of Jutland. This is the main battle. In 1916, a naval battle had taken place in North Sea. The British won the battle. Thereafter, Germany started their submarine warfare and the cruisers went roaming about, interfering with the shipping of the Allies. One of these was the famous Emden, which bombarded Madras. As a countermeasure to the blockade, the Germans proclaimed in January 1917 that they would sink even neutral ships in certain waters. This meant that all ships in British waters, whether owned by countries involved in the war or not, would be targets for German submarines. Lusitania, American ship, was torpedoed by a German submarine. There was a lot of resentment in USA and President Wilson declared war against Germany in April 1917. America's entry with its enormous resources made Allied victory a foregone conclusion. The Battle of Jutland. This is Lloyd George. This is the Prime Minister of England. See the Americans, they got ready for the war. This is the scenery from the war scenes. US declared war after Wilson concluded in the Congress. This is the American Congress where Wilson declared for the war. America got ready for the war. So the role of United States in the First World War, in order to play an important role in the First World War, United States mobilized men and forces. Immediately after that, the United States raised an army of 47.5 lakh soldiers in its army, navy and the National Guard. By 1980, it stepped up its production and produced 38% higher than in 1913. To meet the requirements of higher production, the government of the United States entered into partnership with big business and gave up its peace-term practices of enforcing competition. The American also increased the agricultural production by 24% than what it was in 1913. United States spent $220 crore in the war. It gave loans of $1,035 crore to other countries by way of material. The government of the United States banned the German literature and music. Persons who expressed against the war were imprisoned and sentenced. The socialist leaders were given long imprisonment and the public was controlled by regimented in America. So this is a war scene. The end of the war came because of the internal problems in German due to the defeat of German Navy in several quarters. There was some internal disturbances in German Navy. The emperor had to abdicate and the newly formed federation, newly formed democracy wanted to close the war. So they declared armistice. So this is Ludendorff, the famous German. The war came to an end with the Treaty of Versailles. So Germany's price of defeat, they had to pay a lot of war ransom. The provisions of the treaty, Germany was found guilty of starting the war and therefore was to pay reparations for the loans suffered. The Reparation Commission set up for deciding the compensation of 6,600 million. The German army was limited to 1 lakh men. Union of Austria and Germany was forbidden. Germany was forced to give up all the rights and titles. Germany was forced to revoke the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk. Alsace-Lorraine was returned to France. Former Russian territories of Finland, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania were to be independent. Northern Schleswig was given to Denmark and some small districts to Belgium. Poland was recreated with a corridor to the Baltic containing the German port of Danzig, which was to be free city under the auspices of League of Nations. The Rhineland was to be occupied by the Allies. The area on the east bank of Rhine was demilitarized. President Wilson laid down his 14 points which were to be followed by the Allies. The most important one he highlighted was the need for a general association of nations for the purpose of affording mutual guarantees of political independence and territorial integrity to great and small states alike. One of his interesting points was an opportunity to Russia for the independent determination of its own political development and national policy, and assistance also of every kind that she may need or desire. The First World War left a deep impact on European society and polity. It raised the prestige of USA.